Friends, have you ever felt like you are not good enough for doing certain things or taking up certain responsibilities or certain opportunities in life, and you get afraid and terrified of that? If you have done so, then don't get shy to admit it, because doubting yourself is not a problem. It is part and parcel of being human. Various famous athletes, the seasoned politicians, and the actors, which are the heartthrob of many, have suffered from self doubt at one point of time or the other in their lives. The highs and lows are the part and parcel of human life. But the problem is when you let these self doubts run the show, telling you what to do and what not to do. So be mindful of that. A while ago, I was also suffering from self doubt. I wanted to learn a new skill, but I thought that I have become old enough to learn that skill. But then I read this book, Happiness Advantage by Sean Acor. He is a very famous psychologist from the Harvard University, and he has cited various research papers in that book. And what it states that human brain is malleable. It means the connections which we are having in our brain can be changed with our experience, with our expertise, with gradual practice. And this was an eye-opener for me. I have started working on myself, especially in this communication journey. And voila, my life has changed. Now I can express myself in a beautiful manner, in an effective manner, in every kind of community. And this is how you can combat self-doubt. So here I'm telling you 3 tricks which I've adopted to combat self-doubt. Number 1 is self-compassion. Be compassionate to yourself. Don't think that you have to overdo each and everything. Do your progress slowly but steadily. The second thing is, don't compare yourself with anyone, because each one of us has a new journey, has a different journey than us. So be mindful of yours and don't think about others. Then the third thing is, avoid negative self-talk. Many a times we talk ourselves certain negative things. So avoid that. Instead of that, do positive affirmations. When you will be able to do these kind of things, then those self-doubts will not bog you down. Rather, you can combat them easily. All the best for learning any new skill or any new thing in your life. Bye-bye. Take care.